Hare Krishna, this is Aishwarya. Welcome to my channel Basics by AJ. Today I am going to present you a recipe of Mexican burrito, or you can call it burrito. It doesn't make any difference. After all, it's the taste that matters. This one is my version of burrito because it's without any onion or garlic. First of all, we will prepare for tortillas. So for which we need 2 cups of maize flour, 1 cup of maida, that is all purpose flour, some salt to taste, some oil, and we will rub all the ingredients so that the oil get coated all over the flour. And with the warm water we will prepare this dough. Mix. We have to need soft dough for making tortillas. And once the dough is ready, we will keep it inside an airtight container for about 20 minutes. Once the dough is ready, we will take a small portion of the dough, and into that we will mix some Italian herbs and some black pepper powder and give it a good mix. Once the dough is ready, we'll start rolling it with the help of dry wheat flour and make it into a thin chapati. Tortilla is nothing but chapati. It's just the difference that it's made up of some maize flour and some all-purpose flour. That's it. Now we will take a pan or a tawa, and just like our chapatis, we will roast these tortillas from both the sides until we get light brown spots on both the sides. That's it, and our tortillas are ready. Keep the tortillas aside, and now we will prepare for our Mexican sauce, for which I have taken some oil, around 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and to that I have added 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. We will give it a good mix, and then we will add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and half a tablespoon of red chili powder. To this we will add some water or vegetable stock. Let it cook for around 10 minutes and then add tomato puree into it. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, half a tablespoon of sugar and salt as per taste, vinegar 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce and some red chili flakes and some oregano, and finally some black pepper powder. And if you have hot chili sauce, then you can add that too. And the sauce is ready. Now we have to prepare for our fillings. For that I have taken a kadhai in which I have added some red chili flakes, some oregano, and now adding some colorful vegetables like all 3 kinds of capsicum, red, green, yellow, and some boiled sweet corn and some chopped green chilies. To this I will add some black pepper powder and salt to taste. To this I am gonna add some boiled red kidney beans, that is rajma. As we all know, we have to soak this rajma overnight and then boil in the morning, and then also I have mashed it, coarsely mashed it. Now finally I am adding some tomato ketchup and some hot chili sauce into it, and the filling is ready. Let's keep it aside and prepare for our fried rice, for which I have taken a pan, added some oil, adding some grated ginger, some capsicum, some green chilies, and finally some boiled rice. Give it a good mix. Now adding some soya sauce, some salt to taste, red chili powder, and the fried rice is ready. Let's prepare for some salsa. For this I have taken a bowl into which I have added some tomatoes, some cucumber, some green lettuce, some green coriander, and finally some lemon juice and some salt, and of course black pepper powder. And if you have, then you can add some hot chili sauce, otherwise you can use some tomato sauce into it. So our salsa is ready. Give it a good mix and let's prepare finally for our burrito, for which I have taken the tortilla which we prepared, place it on a plate, and first of all I will spread some cheese spread. I think this is Britannia or Amul cheese spread, classic one. Spread some Mexican sauce, a layer of fried rice in the middle horizontally, and our refried rajma or vegetables that we prepared on top of the rice, and some salsa, a layer of cheese spread on top of it. Now here I am going to use 3 kinds of cheese. First is the processed cheese, spread it evenly, and then a layer of cheddar cheese, and then finally a layer of mozzarella cheese. And now finally I'm adding one more layer of salsa, and then from both the ends I will cover all these fillings so that it gets into a form of a roll. So one of the burrito is ready. Similarly, I will prepare another burrito, or you can call it burrito. So as I said earlier in one of my videos that I find the Mexican dish quite similar to Indian dishes. That is the reason we Indians love Mexican food, and I'll tell you why. Because in all these dishes we can see that there is rice, there is rajma, there is chapati, there is salad, there is sauce. So everything get mixed up in Mexican, and we Indians like to eat everything on plate kept aside differently. So that's the only difference I find. Otherwise, Mexican dish is more of a tangy and sweet. Indian dishes are more of spicy. Otherwise, if you see all the basic ingredients and everything is quite similar. In this burrito recipe itself, you can see that there is chapati, there is rice, there is rajma, there is salad, there is some sabzi, and yes, we added some cheese onto it. And the difference is that there are different kinds of herbs and spices which are not used in our Indian cuisine. So guys, with this my burrito, veg burrito without onion and garlic is ready. Let's offer it to Lord Shri Krishna by putting a tulsi leaf onto it, and then enjoy this meal as prasadam. Hope you like this Mexican delicacy without onion and garlic. This is Aishwarya signing off. Hare Krishna.